Hello, actors. So, I want to talk to you. I'm talking to you, actor. When was the last time you actually practiced your accents? I mean, not just listened, not just watched a couple of videos, like really practiced, like you're getting paid for it, right? Well, I'll tell you what happens on a weekly basis with me. I get an actor, they're on the phone. Oh my God, I've got an audition tomorrow. I got to do a British accent. And you haven't practiced, you don't know how to do it. And you're just hoping that the casting director isn't going to notice that you can't do the accent. Right? Look, I know you're talented, but your accent is holding you back. So I've created the accent practice sessions. Yes, I have. So it's not just an ordinary course. You basically check in every week, you get a new scene, a new accent, and the chance to actually perform it in front of your little community of actors. It's a really, really great space with loads of really cool actors. Basically, you get a weekly script, guided audio, real feedback from your community, and there's no fluff, no phonetic jargon, just my Valentine method, which is fast and a really natural way to lock in your accents. Right. So for just £10 a month, which is like $13.50 US, a month, you get to join the accent practice sessions. You're going to be ready for your next audition. Stop thinking about practicing your accents and actually start doing it. Okay. The link is below. You know what to do. Come on, you got to do it.